and I don't think I need to update. Many of y'all are already aware of what I'm talking about. And I just wanted to come live once and acknowledge this from my end, because I haven't acknowledged anything at all till now, because I was just trying to be silent and avoid making a mess of these public, very private things publicly. But now things are very out of hands. So yeah, I just thought of coming here once and for all and just sharing my part, because I find it really unfair that, I am not getting my space to speak what I have to say. I did not want these very, very personal details of my very personal life being discussed on national television, all over social media, open to everyone's opinion, where people are constantly abusing me, sending a lot of hate without knowing anything about the story, the actual thing that went down. So I wasn't aware of the way things were gonna go down, but it has happened. I've read all sorts of comments, all sorts of people telling me that, I was the one that planned all of this, but I did not want this public at all. But things are out now, and I'm just here to clarify a few things and just speak my part. So basically, what went down in today's episode and the clarification, the justification that was given, is just not true. And it is because I was in a relationship with someone for a long time, and I respect that person, and no matter how things went between us, I still respected that person enough not to share personal details on a public platform. But when things are being said about me that are not true, I do have the right to come on and clarify myself. So yeah, basically, in short, I was not aware of Aisha and Munawar being together. I was been told a completely different story, and I was made to believe that I was the only person in his life, and I was the only female that he was in love with. But that was not true, and there were a lot of other people involved, other girls involved, that I don't want to talk about, because I believe that these things are personal and they should stay personal. But if Aisha was the only person that was involved in this, I would have considered forgiving or anything, but she isn't. And yeah, I just wish people knew things that went down off camera, but clearly they don't. And I need people to stop making assumptions. I want nothing to do with Munawar. After watching today's episode, I remained silent till now because I was waiting to hear what he had to say and how he justified this whole thing. But it was just a bunch of lies, and I'm not satisfied with that. And I don't need to justify myself to anybody over here. I did not even want to do this live, but like चीजें ये हद तक हो गई है that I had to come and just put my side out there once. So this is what I'm doing, and this is my truth. I don't need to prove everyone. This is the last time I'm going to speak about this. I'm never going to acknowledge this in my life, because I don't want to do anything with this person or this situation at all. It's a shame that, this whole thing is public and people are talking about this publicly. I'm seeing people make fun of my personal life, things that they know nothing about, abusing me in the comments, on Twitter, fake news articles, fake YouTube videos where people know nothing and they're just talking about shit. So I don't enjoy this at all, and I am not enjoying this fame or anything. But I just wanted to clear my side once so that I have some kind of mental satisfaction and mental peace. I can make peace with myself that, you know, I put my side out there. And yeah, that's just why I'm doing this. But all I'm asking you guys is, if you want nothing to do with me, then please don't come on my account and abuse me and all of that stuff. I want nothing to do with Munawar. I am over this relationship and I am fully, completely done with it. Because trust me, what you're seeing on the show is not the whole story, and I don't want to get into depths of how dirty it gets. But this is just a pattern that has been followed in all relationships. So I just, in all his relationships and his 2-year relationship with me, so I don't find any place in my heart to forgive this person. So I don't want to see any kind of DMs or comments asking me to forgive someone, because I don't want to associate with him anymore. And I hope you all respect my choice and don't ask me to speak about this after this, because trust me, it's taking me a lot to come live here and even acknowledge this topic, but it's high time I did that. And yeah, I wish him all the best, and I hope he gets everything he wants in his life. I hope he wins Bigg Boss and everything, but I don't want to associate with him anymore. So yeah, that's about it. And thank you guys for listening. And
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.